Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, as well as the crucial level for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the main sectors in focus in trade today, as well as the next few trading sessions. First up, coming to the update in the global markets in trade yesterday. All the three major US indices closed lower in trade yesterday. This post Nvidia's quarterly result. The Nasdaq declined by 1.1%, followed by, if you see, the S&P 500 was down 0.6% and the Dow was down 0.4% in trade. Going ahead, the zone of 5,560 will act as the immediate support for the S&P 500. If the index slips below the mark of 5,560, then the next support is placed at 5,510 level. Brent oil has ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone, that is the levels of 78.779, will act as the immediate hurdle for Brent oil. Coming to the update regarding the dollar index, so the dollar index witnessed a minor pullback on trade in Wednesday's session and ended at 101.03 with a gain of 0.48%. However, the major trend of the Indian index remains bearish as it is trading below its short-term and long-term moving averages. Coming to the update regarding Nifty, so the benchmark index Nifty marked a fresh all-time high of 25,129.60 on Wednesday, and thereafter it witnessed profit booking from the higher levels. For the second consecutive trading session, it has formed a doji candlestick pattern signaling indecisiveness among the market participants at these elevated levels. Going ahead, the zone of 24,940, if you see, will act as the immediate support for the index. If the index slips below the mark of 24,940, the next support is placed closer towards 24,830 levels. On the upside, any sustainable move above the levels of 25,130 will lead to a sharp upside rally towards the mark of 25,250 in the short term. Coming to the option chain data, today we also have the weekly and the monthly expiry, that is the monthly expiry for Nifty. So at the current juncture, 25,100 strike has significant call open interest, followed by 25,200, and on the put side, if we see, 25,000 has substantial open interest, followed by 24,900. For the August monthly expiry, the put call ratio currently is at 1.13 and the max pain is at 25,000 strike. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty in trade traded in a narrow range of 277 points yesterday, which was the lowest daily range since 18th of May, highlighting a pause where both bulls and bears seemed hesitant to make a fresh move. This lack of momentum from either side suggests uncertainty as neither camp was willing to take control. Going ahead, for Bank Nifty, 50,800 will act as the immediate support for the index. If the index slips below the levels of 50,800, the next support is placed at 50,400. While on the upside, the resistance has shifted lower in the zone of 51,300. Coming to the derivative front, so the futures ended lower by 0.21% and the cumulative open interest of the current, next and far series has dipped by 24.42%. Coming to the option chain data for Bank Nifty, so we have 51,500 strike, which has significant call open interest, followed by 52,000 strike, and on the put side, 51,000 has substantial open interest, followed by 50,500 strike. Coming to the key market indicators, so since the last couple of trading sessions, the volatility index India VIX has been oscillating between 14.3 and 10.84. A clear breakout beyond this range could trigger a significant directional move. Despite the index reaching a fresh all-time high, the advanced decline ratio is skewed towards the declining counters. Coming to the key sectors in focus, so in trade yesterday, Nifty IT gave a consolidation breakout on the daily scale. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its upward journey in the next couple of trading sessions. Apart from this, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Healthcare are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Coming to the FII DI data, so in trade yesterday, FIS sold to the tune of 1,347 crores, while DIS purchased to the tune of 439 crores. That's a wrap of today's edition of the podcast. Thank you for regularly listening in. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.